Alright, so we went with the HKS Superflow. This is actually a second-hand unit because these are fucking expensive. This new with the adapter and the bracket and everything was like $299, I think, new. I could find the cheapest one. And yeah, like it's actually a real heavy unit, so you do need that bracket. And you know, I've done a few cheap pod filters before, and this doesn't feel like a cheap pod filter. It actually feels like a good quality unit. I mean, does that add the extra 50 horsepower? Yeah, probably. So let's go put the filter in and see if we can get a little bit more induction noise out of this R33. It's a bit slippery. Now I've got to be real careful because I really don't know this car very well. It's not 100%. There's like bushes that are loose or worn out the front, and the tires, I have no idea. They're only little skinny ones as well, so I don't actually know when this breaks out yet. I'm not too worried about the arse end, more worried about the front. I don't know when the front's going to break out, but anyway, so I don't want to stack slippery, man. I need grippier tyres. Although it is very wet and greasy. To be honest, my Merc was the same, except it's nice when you're just cruising and the traction control just kicks in. Whereas with this, there is no safety net. There is no traction control, and it's been a while since I've driven a car that hasn't, you know, I can just turn it off or leave it on if I'm just cruising, and then I can punch it. You know, I can smash the pedal if I want to, if it's on, and knowing that it's going to kick in and it's not really doing anything stupid. This, you actually have to be awake, which I think I've forgotten how to do, to be honest. I definitely took all the traction control for granted. Pretty hard. That sounds good outside in the tunnel. I mean, everything sounds good in this bloody tunnel, but damn, that sounds good. I must admit, I don't know if it's just placebo, but the car does feel quite a bit quicker with the old pod filter on there. I don't know why, but... Whoa. God damn! This thing is actually I tell you, this thing is actually pretty damn quick. When you start getting up there and you keep it up in that rev range, this thing pulls, man. It definitely pulls. That's license losing material. Oh, look at this. Lined up with a C63. Oh, hey bro. C63 did not want to play with the scummy old Skyline. I'm gonna need some bigger tires.